Greetings everyone, so today I want to talk about this two-way switcher from Llano. Now it has some cool tricks and I'm going to talk about it right after this. Okay, so this two-way switcher from Llano comes with HDMI 2.1. It has 8K capability at 60 Hz. And it has a one-button switcher and it's plug and play. So there's not much to do as far as hooking up this switch. It does come with a USB cable in order to power the switch, because the switch needs power in order to switch back and forth from your input sources. So all you have to do is plug that USB cable into an available USB port, your laptop, your computer, or whatever else you have to power the switch, like a USB hub that has power. This switch is very simple to hook up. I mean, there's not much to do with it. You just need to choose how you want the source and the output to coordinate with each other. So you can choose to have the one single HDMI port feed like two monitors, for instance, or you can have the two HDMI port on the other end feed into one monitor. So right now, the way I use this switch is to switch back and forth from my MacBook Pro and my desktop computer on the same screen. So I'm actually sharing the screen with these two systems. Now I like to edit my videos on my MacBook Pro, but on that smaller screen, I don't have enough real estate. So I use a dual screen setup by connecting to my desktop monitor, and I just switch back and forth when I need to. Now previously I was disconnecting the cable back and forth to make this happen, but now all I have to do is just click a button and it's going to switch back and forth from the desktop to the laptop, and then back from the laptop to the desktop. There's a slight pause before it switches back and forth. It's not very instant, but that's just taking time for the signal to reach through the switch and get to the screen itself. Now this switch is capable of outputting 8K at 60 Hz. So if you have that kind of display to support that, then this switch is for you. I don't have anything in-house to actually use that because I don't have any 8K monitors at this point, but if you do, then this switch will work for you at 60 Hz. Now the switch is manual. So if you want to switch from one source to the next, it's not automatic. It's not going to do it automatically. And there's no remote to actually do it remotely. So far it's working flawlessly. I've been using it for about a week now and I have not any issue. And like I said, the response is a little slight pause between the switching, but it's not a very long time to switch back and forth from one device to the next. Now, if you decide to use this switcher in the reverse way, where you're feeding it to two monitors or to two TV screens, you're going to have the same pictures on those two screens. You're not going to have where you can separate one screen from the next. So it's not like a dual screen setup on your computer where you can use one screen for one thing and another screen for another. This switcher is just going to mirror the same image on both screens. Okay, so this two-way switcher from Llano that has 8K capability and it's bi-directional. It's capable of hooking up any devices that you want to feed into it. So if you want to use it to hook up your Fire Stick and your Apple TV to a TV port, because a lot of these TV ports, they run out. There's not enough. And this two-way switcher can extend that, which would make it easier for you than just swapping cables around. So I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can pick up this device if you need it to stop swapping cables back and forth. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.